Hi everybody, this is an extra video for Module 4 because I wanted to go over the one more thing that's due, which is the final topic, final project topic proposal, and I didn't get a chance to do that in our first video. So as I have had posted since the start of class, you do have a final project. And on the 23rd, just your topic for the project is due. All you're going to need to do is submit in the text box what the title of your project is going to be and what mode you plan to use. So if you've chosen to do just a research-based project, you might put, my example, adolescent substance abuse, PowerPoint. That's letting me know that you're doing the research-based project and it's going to be in a PowerPoint, and that is all that's due for your final topic proposal. If you are doing a service learning project, that is, you chose the service learning based project, you have already secured your service learning experience, and you have come up with what your experience is going to be. You will then let me know you've got a service learning project and where you are going to be and what mode you are using. So this is service learning project in a nursing home, and video is the mode. You don't need to go in more detail than that for this 10 points. The purpose of this assignment is simply for you to have really thought through what your project is going to be, so that when it comes down to the end, which of course in our class is going so quickly, you won't be overwhelmed. If you have questions, you're not sure, you need more direction, please let me know. But I really give a lot of open rein here for you to decide what your project is going to be. I've had people email me and say, what exactly am I looking for in the service learning based project? And my response is simply, it is up to you. You can decide where your service learning is going to be if you were to choose service learning. It's your responsibility to secure the location, secure the hours that you're going to do. There is not a requirement in this course for service learning. Some people like the opportunity. If you do that, it's up to you to decide what it is you will be focusing on. Down here in the project, the guidelines are simply, why did you select this project? What did you hope to learn by doing the project? What was your service learning experience like? How did your feelings about the project change from beginning to end? What were the results of the project? And what did you learn, or what did you hope would happen and why? And how did the service learning project help you in an overall study understanding of human development? And that really is the purpose. How is your service learning experience that you have created helped you in your understanding of human development? You can put a more specific focus. If you want to talk about specifically older adults and you did want to work in the nursing home, that could be your focus. If you're an education major and you're in a kindergarten classroom per se, your focus might be on early childhood education. I'm fine with you having a specific focus within the lifespan, but I want the overall experience to help you in your understanding of human development, even if you're specifically focused on one particular age range, and that's fine. For the research project, if you choose to do that and not service learning hours, that's completely fine. Again, this is up to you to decide what your experience is going to be. It can be any mode that you choose, a PowerPoint, a video, you could create a poster, a newsletter, some kind of an essay if you're an essay writer, and it needs to be some kind of topic, whatever your focus is. If there is a specific area in this course that you really like, say for example, you're loving adolescence and early adulthood, you're loving the assignment we're doing this week in Module 4, where you're focusing on a particular issue in early adolescence or in adolescence and adulthood, then you could take that further if you want to dive in more. So I just want you to choose a topic that you are really passionate about. Later on, as we get further along in the lifespan, there we do a big focus on the death process and the grieving process and what that entails. Maybe that is something that really, really interests you. So it can be anything of your choosing, as long as you're able to tell me 4 new insights that you've gained during your research topic or during your research, and how has that project or research helped you in your understanding of human development. If you do decide to do the research project, it needs to have APA style, and you have cited references on a reference list for a paper. If you're not doing an essay, then it does not have to be a minimum of 3 to 5 pages, but if you are, then that would be the guideline. But really, I am giving you full rein here to just choose something that really interests you. Getting back to what is due this week on the 23rd, it is simply your topic and the mode in which you intend to present your topic. If you have any questions or you want a little bit more guidance, I'm certainly happy to do that. Please feel free to email me through Canvas and we can set up a time to chat, or we can just email. Either way, I really want to help you in fleshing out what would be your most intriguing assignment. I have had a few people who are doing service learning. You've already reached out to me. That's great. If you have not started service learning at this point, I would recommend focusing on the research project because our class is so short. There really isn't a lot of time to get those hours in. If you feel differently, please email me right away. I just don't want you to be overwhelmed, especially since our course moves so quickly. We're already halfway through, so it's important that we are prepared. Okay, everybody, I am excited to see what your topics are and looking forward to hearing all about it. If you have any questions, as always, email me. Otherwise, have fun in choosing your project and have fun in your research, and just overall, I hope you enjoy your experience. Thank you.